Opening shot, a cinematic slow-motion reveal of the 2025 Rolls-Royce parked in a luxury showroom with soft background music and elegant lighting. Host, calm and sophisticated tone. Welcome to the world of ultimate luxury. Today, we present to you the 2025 Rolls-Royce, a masterpiece of craftsmanship, engineering, and innovation. This is more than just a car, it's an experience. Let's explore what makes this new Rolls-Royce a true icon of luxury. Cut to a front view of the car, showcasing the signature Rolls-Royce grille and Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. The first thing that captures attention is the commanding Pantheon grille, now subtly illuminated, adding a touch of modern elegance. The Spirit of Ecstasy remains a timeless symbol of luxury, gracefully sitting atop the sculpted hood. The sleek LED headlights feature an updated design, ensuring a striking presence on the road. Close-up of the side profile, alloy wheels, and coach doors. The side profile is all about grandeur, with a seamless design that exudes sophistication. The coach doors open in signature Rolls-Royce fashion, giving passengers an effortless and elegant entry into a world of comfort. Transition to the rear, showcasing taillights and overall styling. The rear is just as refined, with new LED taillight signatures and a redesigned bumper, maintaining the unmistakable Rolls-Royce identity. Every detail is a blend of tradition and modernity. Cut to the interior, starting with the dashboard and seating. Step inside, and you're greeted by an environment unlike any other. The handcrafted leather upholstery, polished wood veneers, and starlight headliner create a space of unparalleled luxury. The new ambient lighting system allows customization to match your mood, setting the perfect atmosphere for every journey. Showcase the infotainment system, digital displays, and center console. The technology inside the 2025 Rolls-Royce is seamlessly integrated. The fully digital driver display and ultra-responsive infotainment system offer a perfect balance between innovation and tradition. Every function is controlled with precision, ensuring a smooth, intuitive experience for both driver and passengers. Close-up of the rear passenger area, showcasing luxury features. In the rear, the extended legroom, reclining seats, and personalized entertainment screens make this the ultimate space to relax. With features like massaging seats, a champagne cooler, and high-end surround sound, every ride is an indulgence. Cut to the engine and performance segment. Under the hood, Rolls-Royce continues to deliver effortless performance. The V12 engine remains a masterpiece of engineering, providing whisper-quiet acceleration and a ride that feels like gliding on air. The new hybrid and electric variants offer an alternative for those seeking silent luxury with cutting-edge efficiency, driving footage, city streets, highways, and a scenic drive. On the row,